Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's address the two elephants in the room. One, yes, my hair is very greasy. Two, yes, I just recently posted a cooking video and here we are again. We don't need to talk about either. So today I am making some cookies. Now, recently you would have seen trying on all of my clothes videos. If not, it'll be linked in the cards for you above right now. And you also saw me on the verge of a mental breakdown. Insider scoop. That was last night, and now we're making cookies. I worked out for like an hour this morning, so I earned this. So with that being said, the cookies that I am making today are lemon oatmeal cookies. Now, this is not my own recipe. I will link that recipe down below in the description box if you are interested. So in this bowl right here, I have flour, baking soda, and a little bit of salt. Now the recipe does call for unsalted butter, which is in this bowl right here. However, my butter is salted and that's most likely going to ruin this, but I had every other ingredient. So I added just a little bit of salt in here and I figured that would counterbalance it. However, I'm pretty sure that salted versus unsalted butter bakes differently. So it also calls for lemon extract and I had lemons, so I used a lemon juice. And I'm probably not going to use all of this because I'm pretty sure that would be a little too overpowering. Some lemon zest, some more sugar. I use coconut sugar. That is why my sugar is different color than normal, which will make my cookies turn out darker than they would in the pictures. And of course, oats. I have like oats coming out of my butt because I accidentally got like two of the big container things. So I'm going to put this, whip this together with a hand mixer because I don't have a stand mixer. Also, my outlet right here on my kitchen island mysteriously stopped working yesterday. None of my breakers are broke. or tripped, I don't know how to, words, I don't know them. I'm gonna mix this. Maybe we let the butter soften for a little bit longer. It does say that if it is too sticky to dip your fingers into some water, and I really hate sticky stuff on my fingers, so I appreciate that tip. And then it says to roll them into balls, basically put them on parchment paper. Now I have this little silicone thingy, so I'm gonna use that. And then dump this cup or something flat of glassware into water and then into sugar, and then you're going to push each one of the circles or the balls of cookie dough down. So that's basically what we're about to do. All right, now it is time for the moment of truth. Lightly dip. Dip in sugar. Do you think it should be more coated? And press down. Oh, it worked! So the cookies are done. I decided to be a little extra and put them on the cutest platter that I own, which is also the only platter that I own, so. But let's go ahead and get on into this. I did bake them for like 2 minutes longer than the recipe called for, but that's normal because everybody's oven is different. Also, I would say they could have used a couple of more minutes still, but I was afraid to burn them. These are so good. So the thing is like that sugar on top gives it a nice like hard but in a good way texture, and then a little bit of that lemon comes through, and then you have, you know, the yumminess of the oats and the butter and the sugar and all that stuff. I will say it probably could have used some more lemon juice. I'm wondering if like lemon extract is more flavorful than juice because it's like, you know what I mean? However, nonetheless, like these are delicious. And there's a false sense that they're healthy because they taste like lemon. Well, that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. It was a little bit more relaxed than my normal videos, but I had fun filming it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.